Let's all go to the bathroom together.
I thought this was the bathroom.
Does everybody have giant bladders?
I walked into a McDonald's the other day, and the lady at the register was like, "What can I do you for?" And I said, "I'll have 10 cheeseburgers, please." And she looked at me and she's like, 10 cheeseburgers? Damn, you're hungry. I said, "You know, I am hungry." And she said, "I can only eat 5. This poem is called A Bird, a Plane, a Cheeseburger. A bird, a plane, a cheeseburger. A freeze-dried frenzy. An indirect deposit. A misunderstood mishap. A future mistake. A cross-examination of esoteric realities. A functional stereotype. A last-minute subterfuge. A sudden lack of a sound bite, a sound idea, a heroic act of normalcy, a stylized dysphoria.
That's contributing.
A self-defacing solution to a homemade problem. A falsified field recording. A digestible memory of sculpture. Thank you.
Well,